Welcome! If you're looking to boost your Gmail performance on PC, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through some effective steps to help speed things up, especially with the latest updates. First, start by checking your internet speed. A slow connection can significantly impact your Gmail experience. Next, consider using a wired connection. It's usually more stable than Wi-Fi, minimizing interruptions. Another essential step is to clean your browser's cache and cookies. This can free up space and improve loading times. Make sure your device is free of malware as well, since harmful software can slow down your system. Next, reduce your message display quantity in Gmail settings. Fewer messages on your screen mean faster loading times. If you're using any app integrations, consider removing them. They can bog down your performance. Disabling the browser compatibility checking process is another quick fix. You might also want to disable or eliminate some of your filters, as too many can slow things down. Removing custom themes may also help. While they're fun, they can contribute to lagging performance. Don't forget to delete old messages. Keeping your inbox clean can also enhance speed. Finally, using keyboard shortcuts can make navigating Gmail much faster. By following these tips, you'll optimize your Gmail experience for quicker, smoother performance. Thanks for tuning in.